Great morning, children. As you know, we are doing chapter that is we need shelter, and yesterday we have done the topic kinds of houses. So children, you know that there are so many kinds of houses like portable house, kacha house, pakka house, stilt house, and the igloo. So children, today we'll learn about the people who make our house and a quality of good home. So children, let's start the reading. And children, you know that these are the learning objective of this chapter. कि after the completion of the chapter, you will able to identify different type of house, and you will be able to write simple sentence about the type of houses. Now children, today we'll start a parts of a house. So children, you know that a house has many rooms and it has a roof on top. Each room in a house has walls on all sides. You have seen the walls of house in your home, and the floors at the bottom. A house has many doors and window. So children, in this pic there are so many rooms are shown here, like this. Here it's a entrance of house, and it shows a dining room where we eat, and it's a floor is a surface of room that you walk on. Floor is a surface of a room that you walk on. And here it's a kitchen, and this is these are the windows allow fresh air to come in. And it's a chimney let smoke and steam comes out of the house. And it's a bedroom where we sleep. And this is a roof, shelter the house from rain. It protect us from the rain. The work of roof protect us from rain, sun, cold, everything. And here are the walls that separate the rooms in a house. You know that walls are separated the room in the house, like bedroom, kitchen, dining room. All rooms are separated by the walls. And this is bedroom, and this is drawing room where the guest come here. Okay. And the fact aren't all rooms in a house must get proper sunlight and fresh air. This is very important point कि all rooms need a proper sunlight and the fresh air. Now come to the people who make our house. You know that the house, when we build a house, we need people to make it. So children, many people help to build a house, like a mason. First we need a architect. The person architect is a person which draw a plan and makes the design of a house. He is an architect and he draws a plan and makes a design of a house. After that the work start. The mason works start. The mason does? A mason lays the brick and cement the wall, floor and roof. You see here कि mason lays the brick and cement the wall, floor and roof. The next work is for carpenter. What the carpenter do? A carpenter makes things of wood like doors and the windows. After that work start the plumber. A plumber fits the water pipe, sinks and the tap. It's a plumber and plumber fits the water pipe, sinks and taps. Next is of electrician. Electrician fits the electrical wires, light, fan and bulbs. He does the work of electricity. And next is a painter. Painter, what does a painter do? A painter paints the wall, door, windows and the ceiling. So children, here question is given here. Name 2 more things a carpenter makes in a house beside doors and window. You know that carpenter does a woodwork. And here you have to write a things beside doors and window. You know that bed is made up of wood. The carpenter makes bed, almirah, so many things made by the carpenter. So you can write as you wish. You can write here. Okay. So children, last topic is given here, a good home. What is the quality of good home? A house where a family lives is called a home. So children, house where a family lives is called a home. Children, you know that house is a building. House is a building which is made up of cement, iron, steel, bricks, etc. And what is home? Home is a place where family members live together. This is a home. House is a building only, and home is a place where family lives. So children, it's a place where we rest and play together. You know that at your home you rest and play together, and this is our duty to keep our home clean. So what we do to keep our home clean? Dust things every day to keep away insects. You have to dust things every day and keep away insects, and keep your house free from cobwebs. Cobwebs means spider webs. You have to keep your house free from cobwebs. Keep things in their proper place. You know that we have to keep our things in a proper place. Don't throw the things anywhere here and there. We keep our things in a proper place. Do not scribble on the wall. You don't write on the wall. Scribble means write on the walls. Don't. And next is empty and clean dustbin regularly. We have to clean the dustbin and empty the dustbin regularly. Sweep and mop the floors every day, and keep the surrounding of your house clean. Keep the surrounding of your house clean. And here's a question is given here: how should you keep your house free from diseases? So there are so many things that you should do to keep your house free from disease. You should keep your house neat and clean, and keep your house free from cobwebs. So many things are you can do to keep your house free from diseases. So children, you will see here, here the point: keep the surrounding of house clean. Next is do not scribble on the walls like this, and sweep and mop the floor daily like this. Empty and clean the dustbin every day, and keep things in their proper place. Because the house looks very nice now, because things are in proper place. And children, here's exercise. What you have to do in this exercise: these are true false. First you read the sentence and write true or false. Like, a pakka house is stronger than a portable house. You know that it's right, because pakka house is stronger than a portable house. Most people in cities live in a portable house. In cities most people live in a portable house. Think and write down. No, most people in cities live in a pakka house. You know that in a city people live in a pakka house. So this is a false. So you have to read the statement and write down true or false here. Okay. After that, these are the find the names of all the people who helped to build a house in the word search. So you have to search the name of the people that help to build a house, like mason, carpenter, plumber, electrician, and architect. You will search here. And next is complete the flow chart. Kind of houses, you know that: kacha house, pakka house, portable house, igloo, stilt house. And children, in second column you will write here ki from which material kacha house is made up of, like clay, mud, wood, bamboo, etc. And from which material pakka house is made up of. Here you have to write. So children, I hope you have understood the chapter well. You have to read the chapter again. And thank you children. Okay.